Good morning, students. I am Savita Alfred. Welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Students, today I am going to teach you Standard 6, Subject English, Chapter 5, The Mask. Students, today I am going to teach you from paragraph 42. So, let's see paragraph 42. Topsy tells, my heart started to beat faster again. Tinkori Babu, I stammered. So when Feluda and Topsy smelled that mask by which Rajen Babu was being intimidated by wearing it, they get a smell of cherut from that mask, and cherut Tinkori Babu use. So यह देखकर टॉप्सी का नाउ पैराग्राफ 43 हार्ट बीट फास्ट हो जाता है और वह हकलाते हुए बोलते हैं टिंकोरी बाबू. फेलुदा साइड, यस आई एम एफ्रेड सो, बट व्हाट आई डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इज हिज मोटिव. ही सीम टू रिस्पेक्ट राजेन बाबू अ लॉट. Why then did he do something like this? Perhaps we shall never know. The final culprit was Tinkori Babu, and but they were not able to understand what was the purpose of Tinkori Babu in scaring to Rajen Babu, because he always respect Rajen Babu a lot. Now they were thinking they will never be able to find out why Tinkori Babu scared Rajen Babu. Now, paragraph 44. Rajen Babu was absolutely shaken when we told him about this the next morning. As we were talking, Rajen Babu received a letter. He opened it with trembling hands and read it aloud. Next morning, we told that Rajen Babu that Tinkori Babu was that culprit who was scaring him. When they were talking, Rajen Babu received a letter. He opened it with trembling hands. Trembling hands means कांपते हुए हाथों से. And read it in a loud voice. Dear Raju, if you are wondering who I am and why I did this, here is the story. I am the boy whom you had tripped in that 100-yard race on your sports day 50 years ago. I not only missed the medal in that race, but was also seriously injured. Unfortunately, my father got transferred to a different town soon after the incident, and I never got a chance to have a showdown with you. So you never realized how deeply you had hurt me, both physically and mentally. So then he reads, Dear Raju. Raju was Rajen Babu's nickname was Raju. So here it is written Dear Raju because the letter was for Rajen Babu. If you want to know who am I and why I have done this, so this is my story. Before 50 years on sports day, when I was a young boy, you had tripped me. Tripped means ठोकर मारकर गिरा दिया था. In 100-yard race on our sports day. And I not only missed the medal, I was seriously injured. Unfortunately means बदकिस्मती से my father was transferred soon after this incident, and I never got a chance to have a showdown with you. Showdown means Argument between angry persons about a disagreement. नाराज व्यक्तियों के बीच में सहमति न होने पर बहस करना. So I did not get a chance to argue with you. So you can't feel how much pain I must have physically and mentally. Paragraph 47. I did not know about you till I came to stay in your house and saw your childhood photographs. And then I thought of doing something that would cause you a great deal of anxiety and trouble you for a short time. I meant to do no harm. This was my way of punishing you for your past sins. So, जब मैं आपके घर आया था तब मैं आपको नहीं जानता था. But when I saw your childhood photographs, तब मैंने ऐसा कुछ करने की सोची जिससे आप थोड़े समय के लिए चिंतित और परेशान हो जाएं. Anxiety means चिंतित and trouble means परेशान. I did not want to harm you. This was my way to punish you for your past sins. आपके पिछले पापों के लिए मैं आपको पनिश करना चाहता था. Now paragraph 48. Now that's it's over. Let's forget about it and move on with our lives. So now that's enough. Now forget it about it and move forward in your life. With good wishes, yours sincerely, Tinu. Tinu Tinkori Mukhopadhyay. Tinu is a short name of Tinkori Babu. With good wishes, शुभकामनाओं के साथ, yours sincerely, Tinu. So students, today I have taught you chapter 5, The Mask, and I completed the chapter. I hope you have understood it, and write down all word meanings in your classwork copy and learn it. Thank you.